Okay, notes. Here it is. Ready? For this assignment notes. Okay, so pretty much you're going to be doing a variety of arithmetic operations on polynomials. So it's kind of a combination of a couple of the things that we've learned. So you'll see what that's all about. Okay, so you're going to read the first type of problem. Remember, you're going to have two different types of problems. The first type is going to say, it's going to be written like this. It's going to say, written as a simplified polynomial in standard form, right? Written as a simplified polynomial in standard form, comma. What is the result when 2x plus 1 squared is subtracted from 4x minus 5. That's going to be the first type of problems. I think with just one example will suffice. Okay. Anybody want to take a shot at this? What do we need to do here? How do we set up this problem? We got to set it up. What's happening here? What do they want us to do? We got to set it up. Set up this problem. Go ahead, Dean. Thank you.
I think you start off maybe the 2x plus 1 squared. Maybe you just
this part, yeah, the 2x plus 1 squared, yeah.
you just do that one normally first, like just solve it normally.
Oh, you want to get the answer for this? Okay, yeah. Eventually, we are going to have to multiply this, but I'm telling you, we need to set this up. We need to. What are they asking to multiply this with this? I mean, what's going on? Can you read it and tell me what's happening?
Yeah. So 2x plus 1
Squared.
minus 4x minus 5.
Oh, okay. So you want me to write?
4x minus 5 minus 2x plus 1 squared.
Okay. So what? Whoa. Okay, you mix me up. So what's going on? Can you read? What is it saying here?
That's saying 4x minus 5 minus 2x plus 1 squared.
Okay, so let's read it. 2x plus 1 squared is subtracted from. Let me stop right there. This is being subtracted, so this goes what? In the front? No, that's actually the back part, right? Because that's what's being subtracted. This is being subtracted from, well, then the from goes where? Up in the front. We've seen this before, right? I told you it's not like something new. It is and it isn't. You guys see we got to set this up correctly? If he would have put this first and then take away this, it's a totally different problem. Yeah? So 2x plus 1 squared is being subtracted from, and then it's from this 4x minus 5. Okay, this is the setup. You guys understand to set it up this way? Okay. So I got to do this, and I think this will, I don't know if this will be in parentheses or not, but this polynomial, and then subtract this one, but we got to do a little side work to get this expanded and get this multiplied here. We got to do this on the side over here. Let me do it over here on the side really quick. I got to do 2x plus 1 squared over here. What is 2x plus 1 squared? Okay, well that is 2x plus 1 times another 2x plus 1. That's a Punnett square. That is a Punnett square. That's going to have a 2x plus 1 and a 2x plus 1. So you're going to get 4x squared plus 2x plus 2x plus 1. Right? What am I going to get for this product, or this 2x plus 1 squared? Well, I can see those are like terms. Everybody agree it's going to be 4x squared plus 4x, because when I add these two, it gives me plus 4x. Plus 1?
No.
No? Where did I get wrong? Oh, okay. It's good, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So what does this mean? What does this mean, everybody?
That is our new.
That's the answer? That's it? We're finished? No. That's the part that is going to replace this, isn't it? So really our problem or here is going to be 4x minus 5 minus, but see, I still got to put this in parentheses, right? What is this? This 4x squared plus 4x plus 1. Yeah, why do I have to put that in parentheses, everybody? Yeah, but why do I have to put it in parentheses? Because this negative sign.
Oh, that switches the sign.
This negative sign. See, if you don't put the parentheses and you just put it like this, what did you do?
Wrong.
What did you do?
Bad.
You only made this negative go to this one, see?
Yeah.
It didn't go to the rest.
Yeah.
So you got, I mean, if it was plus, it wouldn't change anything, but when it's subtract, you gotta watch out right there. So this negative is going to have to go to all of them. The negative just switches all the signs. We've seen that before. So really the problem is 4x minus 5 what? Minus 4x squared minus 4x minus 1. Right? You got to change all the signs. Okay. And then we've learned how to combine like terms and do this. Anybody want to do it a certain way? Dean, go ahead.
So it's negative 4x squared.
Yeah.
Minus 6.
Minus 6? I'm going to do it this way. Everybody agree this one's already like has all three terms and it's already in order? Everybody see this one? And everybody see? Yeah. Yeah, go ahead. Negative 4x squared minus 4x minus 1. And then remember I told you, you can get these and put it underneath where they go. Write it up and kind of line them up. And then in that sense, you're also combining like terms. Wouldn't this be plus 4x would go here? And then the minus 5 would go here and kind of line it up this way? Yeah. Okay, now we can see things are grouped and they're combined. Okay, so our final answer for this one is negative 4x squared for this one. Oh, what's going to happen there? That's not always going to be true, but it happened here, so it did cancel out. We're going to have no x term, and then what? Minus 6. Okay, so huh? Oh, I didn't see that. Okay, yeah, you did say that. Okay, everybody good? Don't blow this. Where's everybody going to mess up? If they put 2x plus 1 squared, subtracted from, take away, and then you put the negative over here? Yeah, don't do that. Okay, everybody okay doing those kind of problems like that? Yeah, you can handle that. Okay, so I want to make sure I walked. Okay, let me show you the second type of problems you'll see on today's assignment. Here it goes. This one's a super easy one. I'll write it the way you'll see it on the on Delta Math. If a is equal to x squared minus 7, and this one's a really easy one. Later you'll have, a longer polynomial or a trinomial here. If a is equal to that and b is equal to this, find an expression. Right now for this one I'll write the whole thing, right? Find an expression, because this is what it's going to say. Find an expression that equals a minus b in standard form. Oh, what the? Okay, copy that down and you tell me how you need to set this up and what's going on here with this one. Okay, so while really the math or what you got to do is it's asking you to do this, a minus b. Whatever the polynomial a, subtract b. Sometimes it'll be add, sometimes it'll be subtract. It happens to be subtract. So I have to get whatever polynomial a is and then subtract and then whatever polynomial b is. Yeah? So what are we going to put here? Well, x squared minus 7. And what do I put for b? The 10x plus 3. I told you this first one was easy, okay? Everybody see that that's what it's saying to do? Yeah. And then, again, watch out, right? When it's plus, nothing, you don't have to worry about anything. So, but what happens when it's minus again here? That's going to be x squared minus 7 minus 10x plus 3? See, because that negative has to go to, it switches the signs of all the other ones. Okay, and this one's simple enough. I think we can get the answer here, right? This, we got to combine like terms. Anybody? X squared Derek? Minus 10x minus 10. Okay, that one was so easy. Everybody see that was so easy? Well, that's because the polynomials were pretty simple. Okay, let me put another one. I won't write the whole thing, just the important stuff. Here's number 2, right? Look here, here's the second one, number 2. What if I tell you that c is equal to 3m squared plus 4m minus 5 and d is equal to negative 7m squared plus 4m minus 3. Oops. And then blah, 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 blah. They're going to say find. And let's make it a little bit interesting. What if they ask you to do this? 2c plus 3d. What the? Anybody know what to do here? So I got to do what? What does this mean? 2c. 2 times multiply, and I got to put here the polynomial for c, which is, yeah, we know what to do? Is that right? I got to multiply 2 to this polynomial, and then add it to, well, I got to get the answer first, and then what I got to do over here? 3 times what? Whatever d is. What's d over here? Well, d, this polynomial d is this negative 7m squared plus 4m minus 3, like that? Okay. So we got to multiply the 2 in here. We got to multiply the 3 in here. I think we're good, right? We know what to do, how to finish this up. Okay, then let me just do it. I'm going to get 6m squared plus 8m minus 10. And luckily when it's plus, you don't have to worry about changing signs and stuff, right? So that would be plus what? Oh, that's going to be actually negative 21 what? M squared plus 12m minus 9. Or what you could have actually done was what? Couldn't I have written this right under here? Because I'm going to have to like group them anyways, right? So if I write this one under here, or I'll just write it again, 6m squared plus 8m minus 10. And I'm going to write this one negative 21m squared plus 12m minus 9. See, it's easier to do it like this. Yeah? You guys see what I mean by writing them underneath? in this kind of columns, and then in that way you're already combining like terms. Anybody final answer? 15m squared is incorrect. Negative 15m squared plus 20m. Plus 20m is right. Minus 19. Okay, there you go. Stop this video here.